Based on the electricity that's traveling through this arena and decibel level of the crowd, I think it's safe to say the roof of this building just might blow off.
Aside from Saxton's commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match.
As we get started here, I'd like to thank the great members of the WWE Universe who came out to see us tonight in Yokohama, Japan.
Let's take a moment to discuss X. So if you were him, what would you do to win this thing?
It's still early, but I really like his chances here tonight. He certainly looks more focused than I remember seeing him in recent weeks.
Well, one of these guys is definitely going to make his mark in this division. Which one? Well, that is yet to be determined.
Quick pin attempt here. This one's not over yet.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
And he lands a hellacious uppercut.
The frequency of this move is becoming deliberate at this point, to say the least.
Oh, the backbreaker does its job.
He's starting to stagger a bit. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't step in the ring with this guy and walk away completely unscathed.
If you ask me, he expends too much energy trying to be deceptive and deceitful. If he just played by the rules, he'd likely be in far better shape right now.
And he lands the moonsault. Got the reversal.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
And Byron, he's still down after that one.
Yeah, that did some big-time damage, Michael.
Still trying to get back to his feet here.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
This could be dangerous.
He's on his heels. He doesn't want to.
Here we go for the win. This battle's not over yet.
Nice kick out there. He is a one-man gang in there. Whoa! Double knee drop.
He's in the driver's seat now.
He's looking at it.
Nobody comes back from this.
What's he gonna do now?
His shoulders are down.
Well, I thought he had to pin for sure.
Very nice.
Nope, reverses it. Here he goes.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And there's his speed paying off.
You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike, and that nailed him.
Down he goes with a scoop slam. Well, there's the enziguri. He goes down hard.
Yeah, and he's not looking very good at this point, Cole. The way I see it, this might be a good time for the finisher.
Here it comes. He's got him.
Yeah, if he hits this, the match is over.
He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
No, reverses it. He's too quick for him there.
This guy's a machine. And this has got to be it.
That's it. Wait, only 2. Oh, I don't think he got the shoulder up in time.
Yeah, but he's hurt, guys.
Keep your eye on this one.
He's lining him up.
He's close to being done here.
Incoming. This could do it.
No, he kicks out at 2.5.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
He's not going to like this.
He's teetering on the edge here.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Will this be it? Oh, somehow.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum here, Cole.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Lightning fast reflexes. A truly punishing stretch. And he escapes the submission.
And good thing, that could have been disastrous.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. He is a one-man gang in there. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, he turns it around. That one misses big time.
Better luck next time.
I can't tell you how many victims have suffered the same fate.
What a comeback.
Not enough to end this one.
Just powered out.
Big miss for him there.
And he'll likely pay for it here.
If he suffers much more, he may lose all mobility in that shoulder.
X being taken to school here.
I wouldn't be surprised if he just passes out right here.
Yeah, but he's bold enough to try just about anything here to regain control of this match.
And it's reversed. Ooh, he goes down hard.
Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now.
No, he reverses it. Oh, he's able to reverse it. Nicely executed.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Nobody can sustain a drop like that, Michael.
He's showing some aggression with that elbow. Flips the script on him there.
I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight. He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here.
He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
Pays for that one. Surprising with a chop.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh, and he reverses it. Connects with a counter. He gets it with a reversal.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
Now he's working that exploit with such authority.
But can he follow up here?
He thinks he has it.
Dug down deep and gets the shoulder.
In the long run.
Look at this. But he just used a great move against him. Can he score the pin? One. He's got to be running on empty at this point.
Wow, what's it going to take?
Whoops, that missed.
That's putting it mildly, Cole.
He knows he's in trouble.
He can't withstand one bit more.
He clearly did his homework heading into tonight. Shoulders down, this could be it. Two, barely at 2.5.
Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight?
Oh, he turns it around. Saw that one coming. That's worth another look.
Yeah, I want to see that again.
And he lands a nice counter. Oh, and he's still down, Byron.
Things definitely aren't looking very good for him right now.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take, guys. You'd have to think something's got to give here soon.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy. Byron, he may be down for good.
That wouldn't surprise me at all, not after the beating he's taken.
Look at this. He wants no part of the outside. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Incredible! This is a beating inside and out. 1, 2. Not even close.
Jeez, that was embarrassing.
Not today. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Now there's the counter. Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind.
Will he be victorious? Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not gonna win many matches when you're down. He's almost got him.
Counters that one. Ill-advised move.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Look at this. There's absolutely no wasted motion in this attack. He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
He wants no part of the outside.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, and it's a reversal.
He is a one-man gang in there.
When this guy's on, look out.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
And he's one step ahead on that one. He gets him with a reversal. Oh, vicious move right there. It could be over here.
Probably wise not to focus too much on this superstar's injury. I mean, half the roster is likely competing with some sort of injury right now. It's just part of the game. While the medical staff might say otherwise, this superstar's injury isn't even worth mentioning.
Oh, that could have been it.
Could have been, but it wasn't. We have plenty of match still to go.
Takes him out with a flapjack.
This should do it right there.
Chaos, melee, pandemonium.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
The unfortunate reality is he might not get up.
Which wouldn't shock me one bit. Talk about a beating he's taken here tonight.
And this has got to be it.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
A textbook maneuver there.
And he gets out of there in a hurry.
Looks like he needs to regroup, get his thoughts together.
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
Oh, no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left.
Enziguri!
Can he finish him off here?
This could do it.
Reverses that one. Comes up big with the reversal. Look out here. Shoulders down. This could be it.
You'd have to think hitting the finisher here could end this thing.
Counter here. He's too quick for him there.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, he's able to reverse it.
This can be dangerous. He can't stay in this situation long.
It could be over here.
Just making his presence felt there.
I don't know about you guys, but it looks to me like these superstars are on their last legs here.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Not so fast.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. Trying to create some separation here, Cole.
Still trying to get back to his feet here.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
And there's the counter. He doesn't appear to be in a hurry to get up here.
I just don't think he has it in him anymore.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Look at this. Oh, man, that'll scramble your insides.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum here, Cole.
Innovative offensive display there. Going to be tough for him to fight back from this.
Well, the first thing he needs to do is get back to his feet, which is clearly easier said than done.
At what point do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt.
Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Oh, I think this man means business. He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here, bringing it back into the ring.
This might be the end of the road for him, Byron.
Well, if he can't get back to his feet, you're absolutely right.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
No, he reverses it.
Here we go again. There's the cover. Can he do it?
Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take?
I don't know where he's finding the strength to stay in this one. Looks like both these superstars have found that little extra something to keep themselves going here tonight.
How are these superstars even still going, guys? I mean, they have to be on fumes right now. Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys. Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when you're down. He can't take much more.
He's still not moving, guys.
He might be out, Cole.
Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
No, there's the reversal. And a powerful forearm. And he lands a vicious cutter.
He may get the 3 count right there.
He might just be out, guys.
I agree. He hasn't moved one bit.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
Beautiful moonsault. Comes up big with the reversal.
And there's the Russian leg sweep. No chance of staying upright after that one. He could pin his opponent right here. Going to the top. High risk.
Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael.
If he sticks this, he is done.
Ooh! He's not looking good here, Byron.
No, he's got to get up, and he's got to get up now.
There may be no escaping this fireman's carry.
I don't know. Never say never, Cole.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
So damaging. Taking him a while to get up here.
I don't think he has anything left, Michael. Ain't no stopping him now.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Got the reversal. What a bulldog. And Byron, he's still down after that one.
Yeah, that did some big-time damage, Michael.
Both of these superstars looking a little worse for...
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Nope, reverses it. He hits a huge elbow drop. Here he goes for the win.
I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
And once again, we see a return to the specific maneuver. Hey, whatever works.
When this guy's on, look out. We have seen him here before. Oh, and he reverses it. This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on Dream Street.
This should do it right there.
Looks to me like these superstars are running on fumes right about now.
Will this be it? He might have it.
There's the pinfall and the victory.
Here is your winner, Byron, the Legend.
Do you see that? Things are about to get really interesting. Oh, I think business is about to pick up.
Oh, and he reverses it. He's looking at it.
It's got to be over now.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Things do not look good for Scott Dawson.